BSNL has introduced 4 new broadband plans priced 449, 799, 999 and 1499. The Bharat Fiber plan will be available in selected city starting from October 1. Now the plan will be available for the promotional period of 90 days in selected city where the challenges from the competitor exist. BSNL has brought 4 new Bharat Fiber broadband plans to keep up with competitor. So the first plan, Bharat Fiber 499 broadband plan. This plan, also called the Bharat Fiber basic plan, offers 30 Mbps speed till 3.3 TB speed or 3300 GB limit. After the limit is raised, the speed is reduced to 2 Mbps. User opting this plan will get unlimited voice calling to any network within India. The second plan is Bharat Fiber 799 broadband plan. This plan offers 100 Mbps speed till 3300 GB or 3.3 TB. The limit is raised, the speed is reduced to 2 Mbps in this also. And third one is BSNL Premium Fiber 999 broadband plan. This plan offers 200 Mbps speed for 999 till 3300 GB or 3.3 TB, after which the speed is reduced to 2 Mbps. This plan comes with free membership to Disney Plus Hotstar. The last plan is Ultra Fiber 1499 broadband plan. This plan by BSNL offers 300 Mbps speed till 4 TB or 4000 GB is raised. After the limit, the speed reduced to 4 Mbps. This plan too gives unlimited calling benefit to any network within the country and also come with free membership to Disney Plus Hotstar OTT platform. This plan will be offered by BSNL. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.